Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can create your first Django application, a very basic landing page or a home page. So first of all, I'll add a new project. Django admin start project tutorial, and now we can see in our C drive that we have a project made. And we have a project made, so we can see. Now we'll quickly make an application. Django admin start app. Let's call it home, and you can see home application made. So first of all, we go to the views, and we will type in a function. So we'll define a function, say home page, and in brackets we'll call it a request, and syntax, and we'll return render in brackets request, and we'll leave it blank for now on, and I'll explain what I did here. And we also have to import, okay, no use. So what are we doing here? So basically views.py tells you whatever the user sees is written in views.py. So it's basically your front end. So whenever the user tries to get into a particular URL, he requests for a particular URL, he will be redirected to or rendered to a response which is generated by this line, and he will be redirected to a file, or let's say I call it home.html. So whatever you write inside this home.html file, the user will be able to see that on the Django page or the Django website. Here home.html is a basic HTML file, and now for this, to place the home.html file, we'll go to the directory of our project where our project is. So it is in C drive, dudes home, and we'll create a folder named as templates. So it's a basic convention, and here we'll create a new file which will be an HTML file. So we named our file as home.html, so I'll name it home.html. Yes, I want to change it, and our file is made. So now when we import our folder, wait a second, select the folder. So now when I open, okay, I didn't save it. Okay, so now when I open here home.html, I can write my HTML code over here. So let's say I want to write hello world. Okay, so now whenever the wait a second, we have to write the URLs for. I didn't include the file in my settings.py. So go to your tutorials folder, which I named it. Go to settings.py and you'll see an area named as installed apps. So basically these are the inbuilt applications which Django makes it itself. And now I will add a new application which I made right now. This work I should have done earlier. So I write the application name home dot apps dot home config. This is basic convention. So this is the name of our app, home, and this is the basic convention followed by Django. So you write it home app name dot apps dot app name and config. So we save it. The next thing we have to do is to go to the URLs and define a URL for our application. So I'll create an object of my app to access that function. So I write it from app name, that is home, import views as, let's say we make an object named as h. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm making an object of the function home of our application home, which I made over here, and I'm importing the views here with an object name as h. So next we will add the path over here. So I write path. Let's leave it blank as we want it as our landing page. So I leave it blank, and here we will write h dot the object dot the function which we made. So the function was home p capital page. So at home page, and we place a comma over there, and I think we are done with our work. Now I'll go to PowerShell and we'll run our server with this command, python manage.py run server. Okay, python manage.py run server. No such file directory. Wait a second, what I did wrong. Okay, I'm not in my application. So okay, so I didn't change my directory, that was the error. Okay, I'm getting another error, no module named host link. This is your local host. And it shows you hello world. So basically you can go there, and the problem was that I made the application before making the before changing the directory. So that was the main problem. So my home folder was present right here, so that was giving the problem. So it wasn't able to fetch the URL. So what I did was just I cut this, I copy pasted over here inside my tutorials folder where my manage.py is residing, and it works right now. You can see. If you want to make some changes, you can go to your templates file. So let's say you want to say write my first Django project and refresh it. I can see. That's all for this video. In the next video we'll be doing more things on Django. Thank you very much.